Myntri Tnat Pule Puthi uba lak kemen rembui. Haka NCC Mekalia Festival arajar arposan kabala long dangshen ula Kyntu iki Samla bakin daperkhat sanibha ha kaba yadeiru ban shim ya kakabu ban Pyndonkam ya lagi jong ki sap ki Phong. Uba lak kemen rembui ula ong ba percaya menta kadap dekilat kilenti ki babun chan. Ha kaba ula mahamru ha kacuk kapor bagi Samla Pule ki dei ban long ki bahusiar bat bakim ki deiru ban sha penthami ula benrap ru ba gajingmi jongka artificial intelligence kalong ka ba ajing rap shibun henry kadeiru ka ba ma ha ka bangim la bantip ba kadei ka ba shisha lani ka ba thong ha kani ka sngi la don ru ki program tenrai gajing pen I ya ki rukom shna film reel bat gajing pen I nam ya ki riam ki ben.
The advent of technology has given us the freedom to choose, the freedom to do, and it has empowered us to think more. But whether we are able to absorb, to decipher all the technology which is in front of us is a big question mark. The advent of artificial intelligence, it is very helpful, but at the same time it's very scary. Scary in the sense that, as I said, what is in today, it may be out in the evening. We don't know whether it is real, whether it is true, whether it is something else. So you, as the youth of today, you have to be very, very vigilant.
Ka sanrap ki seng